$4,500 a month? Yes, it's possible. Imagine waking up every morning to see your bank account growing while you sip your coffee. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for many who have tapped into the power of online sales. Whether you're at the beach, in a cozy home setting, or anywhere in between, the potential to earn is right at your fingertips. Want to make serious cash online? The internet has opened up countless opportunities for anyone willing to put in the effort. From e-commerce to digital products, the avenues are endless. But today, we're focusing on one of the most lucrative and accessible methods: selling books online. Passive income is the dream. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy your day. It's about creating a system that works for you, even when you're not actively working. And selling books online can be that system. Imagine $4,500 hitting your account every month while you chill. This isn't just a fantasy. With the right strategy, dedication, and tools, you can achieve this level of financial freedom. Picture yourself checking your bank account and seeing those consistent deposits, all from the comfort of your home or wherever you choose to be. Selling books online can make it happen. You don't need a massive inventory or a huge investment to get started. With platforms like Amazon, eBay, and others, you can start small and scale up as you learn the ropes. It's about finding the right niche, sourcing your books smartly, and understanding your market. No, you don't need to be a writer. This isn't about penning the next bestseller. It's about leveraging existing books, whether they're new, used, or even rare finds. The key is to understand what sells and how to present it to your audience. With the right approach, you can turn a modest investment into a thriving online business. This is about smart hustle and leveraging the right tools. There are countless resources available to help you succeed, from software that helps you track sales and inventory to online communities where you can learn from others. It's about working smarter, not harder, and using technology to your advantage. Ready to build your own online book empire? Let's go. The journey starts with a single step, and I'm here to guide you through it. From setting up your online store to sourcing your first batch of books, I'll show you the ins and outs of this exciting venture. With determination and the right guidance, you can achieve your financial goals. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, but the payoff is huge. You'll need to invest time in learning the market, sourcing quality books, and managing your online store. But with persistence and a willingness to adapt, you can build a sustainable and profitable business. It takes work, but the payoff is huge. The satisfaction of seeing your efforts translate into real income is unparalleled. Each sale is a step closer to your financial freedom. Celebrate your successes, learn from your challenges, and keep pushing forward. Imagine financial freedom, working from anywhere, being your own boss. The flexibility and autonomy that come with running your own online book business are incredible. You set your schedule, choose your workspace, and make decisions that align with your goals and values. That's the power of passive income. It's about creating a revenue stream that doesn't require constant effort. Once your system is in place, it can continue to generate income with minimal maintenance. This frees you up to explore other interests, spend time with loved ones, or simply enjoy life. Selling books online is a proven path. Many have walked this road before you and found success. By learning from their experiences and applying best practices, you can shorten your learning curve and achieve your goals faster. Let me show you how. Together, we'll explore the strategies, tools, and techniques that can turn your online bookselling dream into a reality. Are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Let's get started. Books without writing? Here's the secret. Imagine walking into a quaint vintage bookstore, the smell of old paper filling the air. You pick up a book, its cover worn with age, and you wonder about its journey. What if I told you that you could turn this curiosity into a profitable venture? You don't need to be Stephen King to sell books online. In fact, you don't need to write a single word. The secret lies in selling existing books. Yes, you heard that right. With the rise of online marketplaces, anyone can become a bookseller. All you need is a keen eye for valuable books and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit. We're talking about selling existing books, not writing new ones. Think of it as a modern-day treasure hunt. You scour secondhand bookstores, flea markets, and even online listings to find books that others might overlook. These could be rare editions, out-of-print titles, or even popular textbooks that students are always searching for. Think of it like treasure hunting. Each book you find has the potential to be a hidden gem. The thrill of the hunt is part of the excitement. You never know what you might uncover next. It could be a first edition of a classic novel or a signed copy by a famous author. You find valuable books, sell them for a profit. Simple, right? This is arbitrage, baby. Buy low, sell high. The concept is straightforward, but the execution requires some skill. You need to know where to look, how to evaluate a book's worth, and the best platforms to sell them on. But once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. You'll become a curator, a tastemaker. Your collection will reflect your unique taste and expertise. People will come to trust your judgment and seek out your recommendations. It's not just about making money, it's about sharing your love for books with others. People want specific books, and you'll find them. From rare first editions to popular textbooks, there's a market for everything. Some collectors are willing to pay top dollar for that one book they've been searching for, and students are always in need of affordable textbooks. There's a market for everything. The key is to find your niche. Maybe you're passionate about science fiction, or perhaps you have a knack for spotting valuable cookbooks. Whatever it is, focus on what you love and become an expert in that area. Let's dive into finding your niche. Start by researching different book categories and identifying which ones have a high demand. Look at online marketplaces to see what types of books are selling well. Join book forums and communities to get insights from other sellers. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to succeed in this exciting venture. Finding your niche. What will you sell? Don't be a jack of all trades, Master One. Find a book niche that excites you. Passion fuels success. Love history? Sell historical biographies. Tech geek? Find vintage computer manuals. The possibilities are endless. Research is key. Use tools like Amazon and eBay to see what's selling. Check out online forums and communities. What are people asking for? What's trending? Find your niche and dominate it. Sourcing like a pro. Where to find your gold. Now the hunt begins. Whether you're a seasoned book collector or a newbie, knowing where to look is half the battle. Let's dive into the treasure hunt. Finding books is easier than you think. Thrift stores, library sales, and even garage sales are fantastic places to start. These spots often have a wide variety of books, from bestsellers to rare finds, all at unbeatable prices. Estate sales. Hidden gems everywhere. Estate sales can be gold mines for book lovers. Often you'll find entire collections being sold off, sometimes at a fraction of their value. It's like stepping into a time capsule of literary treasures. Online marketplaces like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace are gold mines too. These platforms allow you to search for specific titles or browse through local listings. Plus, you can often score great deals without even leaving your home. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're at a yard sale or a flea market, haggling can save you a lot of money. Sellers are often willing to lower their prices, especially if you're buying multiple items. Haggling is part of the game. It's not just about saving money. It's also about the thrill of the hunt. Negotiating can be a fun and rewarding experience, and it often leads to even better deals. The lower your purchase price, the higher your profit margin. Remember, condition is key. A book in excellent condition can fetch a much higher price than one that's worn out. Always check for damage before making a purchase. Look for books in good shape. Pay attention to the spine, cover, and pages. Minor wear and tear is acceptable, but major damage can significantly reduce a book's value. A little wear and tear is okay, but avoid major damage. Books with torn pages, water damage, or missing covers are usually not worth the investment. Always aim for the best condition you can find within your budget. Listing your treasures platforms that work. Time to get your books online. Amazon is the king, but don't ignore other platforms. eBay, Abe Books, and Textbook Rush are great options. Each platform has its own strengths and fees. Do your research and choose wisely. High-quality photos are crucial. Clear, well-lit images showcase your books. Write compelling descriptions. Highlight key features, condition, and any unique aspects. Make your listings stand out from the crowd. Pricing for profit. Finding the sweet spot. Pricing is an art and a science. Research similar listings to gauge the market value. Factor in your purchase price, platform fees, and shipping costs. Don't undervalue your inventory. Start with competitive pricing. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can adjust accordingly. Offer discounts and promotions to attract buyers. Bundle similar books together for higher value. Marketing magic. Getting your books seen. You've got the books, now get them seen. Social media is your friend. Create engaging content about your niche. Share your latest finds, offer tips, and connect with potential buyers. Run targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Reach people actively searching for books in your niche. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers. Offer free books in exchange for reviews and exposure. Scaling up, building your book-selling empire. Once you've got the hang of it, it's time to scale. Systematize your process. Create checklists for sourcing, listing, and shipping. Invest in tools that automate tasks like inventory management and order fulfillment. Consider hiring virtual assistants to help with tasks like customer service and order processing. Focus on building a brand. Create a recognizable logo, packaging, and customer experience. Turn your side hustle into a full-fledged business. Your turn to start your passive income journey. What are you waiting for? The world of online bookselling awaits. It's time to take control of your financial future. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to experiment. The potential is limitless. Remember, success takes time and effort. Stay consistent, adapt to changes, and never stop learning. You've got this. Now go out there and build your own book-selling empire.